Good morning and welcome to Greensboro, North Carolina, home of Carolina Aircraft. I'm Brian Tuttle. I'm here today to show you this very nice 1982 50th Anniversary Edition P-Baron November 29 Romeo Romeo. Let's have a closer look. November 29 Romeo Romeo only has 3,500 hours total time. That's important in the P-Baron world. These have a max lifetime airframe time of 10,000 hours. This left engine was just overhauled by Western Skyways. It has a 3-year gold seal warranty. It has roughly 10 hours since overhaul. The right engine has around 1,600 hours total time since new. November 29 Romeo Romeo has a lot of baggage space for you when you travel. You can see here we have the spring thing to hold open the nose baggage compartment. A lot of insulation in here. You can put up to 300 pounds in the nose baggage area. You know, as pilots, we all want to go higher and faster as soon as we get our pilot's license. Beech has designed the 58P for a max service ceiling of 25,000 feet. Up there, you'll be doing 240 plus knots on around 36 gallons per hour. Now, this has 196 gallons of usable fuel, so that will get you a good 4.5 hours plus reserves and around 1,000 nautical miles down the road. What's important about this airplane is being at those altitudes, you really kind of own those altitudes by yourself. The non-aspirated guys can't get there. The turbine guys are 25,000 plus up into 30, and then the jets are 30,000 plus. The nice thing about those altitudes is, again, you pretty much own those. You'll get a lot more direct routing. This airplane, you're going to spend most of the time flying around 15 to 17,000 feet. What's really nice is in the summertime, even when the buildups are 10 to 12, you're above all of that. You can pick your way around the scattered thunderstorms, and you're flying in pressurized comfort. The pressure altitude at that point in the cabin is around 7,000 feet. The paint on November 29 Romeo Romeo is in very good condition. It's overall white with black, tan, and red striping, and you have the BEECHCRAFT B on the tail. One very distinguishable thing about the P-Baron, since it is pressurized, the passenger compartment and the other door is on the pilot side of the airplane. This airplane, while it was down for the left engine to be overhauled by Western Skyways, the owner decided to do a new interior. Let's step in and take a closer look. The interior on 29 Romeo Romeo is in beautiful condition. As I mentioned, the owner decided to redo this interior while it was down for the engine overhaul. You can see beautiful tan leather side panels. Everything around the windows is in beautiful condition. The seats have been redone with Italian leather. I'm 6'2". I've got plenty of room back here, very comfortable. I have my own headset jacks, even though on a pressurized Baron you don't necessarily need headsets. We also have 6-pin Bose connectors back here as well. Everyone has their own lights, their own WAAS for fresh air. This is really a way to travel. When you're in the flight levels flying IFR, you want a very nice avionics suite. November 29 Romeo Romeo comes equipped with a Garmin 750 WAAS. It has the Garmin 345 transponder with your ADS-B in, out, traffic, and your free FISB XM weather. You have a Bendix RDR 160 color radar system. You also have a subscription-based Garmin GDL 69 XM weather. You have a WX500 Stormscope. You also have a Garmin GRS 56. That's a satellite connectivity which allows you to text, voice, and communications through your radar imagery. You have a KFC 200 Autopilot with your slaved HSI system with built-in yaw damper, as well as a very nice G4 Insight graphic engine monitor. Other amenities that you'll enjoy on 29 Romeo Romeo is certified non-ice, Shadin fuel flow system, G&D tinted window inserts, factory air conditioning, Rosen sun visors, Flightstream 510, 6-seat shoulder harnesses, Limo plugs at each seat, factory oxygen, 196 gallons usable fuel, and LED lighting. So if you're in the market for a P-Baron, you want to go up high, you want to be in pressurized comfort, give us a call at Carolina Aircraft. schedule some time to come and see November 29 Romeo. This is a very nice 1982 P Baron, 3,500 total time. We've got split engine times, new interior, so much more. Call us at Carolina Aircraft. Have a great day.